Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting video. The beautiful birds that you see on your screen are the most friendly and interactive species of birds. These are called conures. They are native to South America. These are small to medium-sized parrots. Their average size is 10 to 20 inches depending on the species. Conures are active birds and they love to stay busy. The minimum cage size recommended for conures is 36 inches in length, 24 inches wide and 24 inches high. Conures have a very playful and outgoing personality. They love to interact with their owners. Conures are also curious and bold in temperament. They love to keep their beaks busy. They also love playing with toys. Their preferred diet is fresh vegetables, fruits, and nuts. They also love to eat sunflower seeds and millets. We have 5 of them. These are a mix of red factor pineapple and cinnamon conure. Conures are capable of talking, although they are not as good as African greys or similar species. They do not have a very extensive vocabulary. They can learn up to few words and phrases. Conures can get loud. They have a screeching voice. They love to bath, using a spray or water in a vessel. You can give them toys made of plastic or wood to exercise their beaks. Their breeding age is almost around 12 months. They have a lifespan of 30 years. It is believed that conures have an intelligence level equivalent to a 2-year-old human baby. Conures can get very affectionate to their owners. Let us know in the comment section what type of conures you have. Conures are amazing pets to have. Please do let us know if you would like to know more about them. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.